guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Litecoin directly to your Trustwallet account. So for this site you're going to be withdrawing your earnings directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum you're going to be withdrawing your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I mean no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. So all you need to do is just simple. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box below, and when you tap on the link it's going to be bringing you over here. You're going to be seeing the register and the login. So all you need to do if you are new to this site is to tap on the register button, and when you tap on the register button you're going to be filling in your information for the registration. And after that is done, you can go ahead and tap on the login to log in. So guys, when you tap on the login you're going to be inputting your email address and password, and after that is done, complete the captcha. So guys, if you know you are watching this video, please make sure to like this video, turn on the notification bell, tap on the subscribe button, so whenever we upload nice content like this you're going to be notified on this. So guys, after that is done and you've completed your captcha, you can go ahead and tap on the login button so that you can log into your account. So guys, if this is showing the invalid captcha, all you need to do is to change it to captcha v2 and complete the captcha over there. So after that is done, all you need to do is going to be taking you directly to your dashboard. And when you have been taken to your dashboard, as you can see I have 1208 satoshi on my dashboard. So all you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and when you tap on it, it's going to be bringing you options on how you can earn and also withdraw. So guys, I've already made a video on this before, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a live withdrawal. So guys, as you can see over here, there are several ways in which you can earn from this site through the manual faucet, auto faucet, short links, PTC, lottery and tax. So guys, when you tap, and you can also advertise on this platform. So when you tap on the manual faucet, it's going to be taking you to where you can claim your faucet every 5 minutes, and every 5 minutes you're going to be claiming 2 satoshi every 5 minutes. So guys, all you need to do is to just, when you scroll down, complete the captcha, then solve the antibot by writing what you see in the picture, and after that is done, your earnings are going to be claimed immediately. So guys, as you can see, just follow what you see over here, solve the antibot, then you write what you see in the picture, which is this AFTER, and after that is done, your earnings, all you need to do is to tap on the collect your reward. When you tap on the collect your reward, your satoshi is going to be added to your balance. So after that is done, you go ahead to the withdrawal section, which I'm going to be showing you on how to do that right now, right here. So when you tap on the withdraw, it's going to be taking you to a section where you are going to withdraw your earnings. So all you need to do, when you scroll down, for the purpose of this video we're going to be withdrawing our Litecoin. All you need to do is to tap on and select the Litecoin option. Now when you tap on, all you need to do is to tap on the Litecoin. When you tap on the Litecoin, you scroll down. As you can see, the amount of satoshi is going to be there. Then over here it says faucetpay wallet or ID. So all you need to do is to input your faucetpay Litecoin address over here, or your faucetpay ID. Now that is from your faucetpay account. So guys, we're going to be heading to my faucetpay account right now, so that I'm going to be showing you how you can copy your address. So all you need to do when you head to your faucetpay, if you don't have a faucetpay account, a video where I explained everything on faucetpay is going to be left in the description box below. So as you can see over here, this is the newly upgraded faucetpay. Or as you can see over here, you can see the overview, wallet, statistics, history, linked address. So all you need to do is to tap on the linked address, and as you can see over here, the linked address which is down there, and it's going to be taking you directly to where your address is, to where your linked addresses rather are. So when you tap on it, as you can see over here, it's going to be showing me all my addresses. Likewise, your address is going to be showing your address on your faucetpay. So as you can see over here, Litecoin, all you need to do is to hold on it and copy it. Now when you've copied it, as you can see over here, when you've copied it, you go ahead, go back to the site and input it in the section over there which says faucetpay wallet or ID. Now after that is done, that is when you have pasted it, as you can see over here, you can see it says recapture v2. So all you need to do is to complete this anti-bot link by tapping on I'm not a robot, and when you tap on I'm not a robot, it's going to be loading up and you are going to be verified. So guys, when you've been verified, all you need to do is to tap on the withdraw, and when you tap on withdraw, your earnings are going to be sent directly to your faucetpay account. Then from your faucetpay account, you can withdraw your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account without any investment. All that is there is just your free time and some dedication. You are going to be making a lot of money for this. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please like this video, turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.